Hey Rose, thought I'd do a video here for Monday. We're going to solve some more of these, and these I've stolen right off of Delta Math. So the first one says solve this equation. I'll read it to you, and obviously feel free to pause or rewind whenever you need to. Excuse me. 2 sine 3/4 x minus root 3 equals 0. 2 sine 3/4 x minus root 3 equals 0. So I'd like you to try to isolate that sine of 3/4 x and solve it on your own. But then when you get stuck, hit the play again, and I'm about to go through the answer right now. So the first step, I would add a root 3 to both sides, and I would divide by 2. And so that's just a little bit of algebra. So that leaves me with sine of 3/4 x equals root 3 divided by 2. So what I really have is sine of an angle is root 3 over 2. Of course, that angle is 3/4 x. So what does that mean? Well, where does sine equal root 3 over 2? It happens at pi over 3, which of course is 60 degrees. And it happens at 2 pi over 3, which happens to be 120 degrees. But it's not x equals that, it's 3/4 of x. So I actually have turned this into two equations. 3/4 x equals pi over 3, and 3/4 x equals 2 pi over 3. And of course, to get rid of 3/4 for both of those equations, I have to multiply by 4/3. Multiply by 4/3. And if I do that, the first equation is going to be x equals, and the right side would be pi over 3 times 4/3, so that would give me 4 pi over 9. The second equation, which was 3/4 x equals 2 pi over 3, when I multiply by 4/3, I get x is 8 pi over 9. So those are my two answers, 4 pi over 9 and 8 pi over 9.